is a fear every parent has, and one local mother tells us she thought it was about to become her reality. This after a carbon monoxide leak at her son's school.
I had a few moments where I thought my kid was dead, and that was one of the scariest things in my life.
The unthinkable. Scary moment for a lot of families. Still processing exactly what happened yesterday at Longfellow Elementary. Tonight, they're deciding if they even want to send their kids back to the building tomorrow. Kansas City Public Schools say the problem has been fixed, and we're told it was an issue with the fresh air intake in one of the school's boilers. The leak sent 7 students and 2 adults immediately to the hospital. District leaders say they've tested everything, and they will open the school back up tomorrow. KSHB 41 News reporter Megan Abundis live outside of Longfellow Elementary. Megan, I know some families may not send their kids to school tomorrow.
That woman you heard from, her son is a first grader here at Longfellow Elementary, but she says she's not ready to send him back through those doors just yet. Yesterday, she took him to the hospital after she picked him up from the school evacuation site.
The unthinkable could have happened. It was very close.
A thumbs up from her 6-year-old in the emergency room.
They put him on oxygen for 2 hours.
Cassie Darnell Tibbs said today her son Morgan is feeling much better and keeps going.
Seems like people are kind of downplaying this a little bit, that only 6 kids went to the hospital, and I just felt like that was wrong, because I think more kids probably should have been seen, and I think it was a bigger deal than what it's being made to be. I think it was a really close call. They tested his blood levels. He had carbon monoxide in his blood.
From his hospital paperwork, a level of 6.3.
Heavy smokers, between 5 and 10%. And so we're a non-smoking family, so he should not have any carbon monoxide in his blood at all.
Cassie's concerned about the school district's communication, initial emergent and follow-up check-ins with medical information.
We were told that he was fine. You know, if we hadn't brought him, he would probably just still be sick now.
We asked KCPS if they have heard of other students being taken to the hospital after the fact and have not heard back yet. Regardless, school is in session here at Longfellow Elementary tomorrow at 8:20 a.m. Live in Kansas City, I'm Megan Abundis. Back to you.